I think you are also active now.
Yeah, so I started the stream and let me transition it very, very fast. Oh, we are shooting up.
Okay, I think I got your link. Yeah. No? Why?
Yeah, bro, I'm active with you, okay? Then you forced me.
Good.
Then you forced me to enter early.
So you have a better entry than me.
No. You telling me you told me I should be active. Then I pressed the button right away.
Okay, so that's what you have 10 pips.
Do
entry is 10 pips.
Do hell with that 10 pips, okay? And it's dude, this isn't 10 pips should be.
Where's your SL? SL is based on 15 minutes.
15 minute low. You can hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, I again get that low battery thing, so there's a chance. Midstream, my headphone might get shut down.
Yeah, it's fine. I'll text you immediately.
Okay. Then you enter on this breakout, 15-minute breakout at all-time high. So buy high and buy higher. What can we do?
Buy higher and sell higher.
Yeah. And we do have a SL of this candle low. If it's a fake out, we'll get red. And if it's not a fake out, then we might see new all-time high very soon. So expected target today is 4,000. And
yes,
please do remember
4,000 would be a good target also, because I see 100% ADR is at 4,002.5.
There will be potentially sell.
From 4,000.
There will be potentially sell. So guys, you can enter right now. Hardly 10 to be friends, so not a big deal. And should I enter now? अभी इतना कैसा होता है मुझे एंटर करना? 10 मिनट में बड़ा कुछ हो रहा है। 10 मिनट में सुबह छोड़ दी एक ट्रेड। अब तक उसका रिग्रेट हो रहा है। मेरे को 400 चली गई।
That's a 400 pip going running actually, yeah.
एंड फिर मेरी एक एंट्री यहाँ पे नीचे जो मैंने लगा रखा है, ये 30 मिनट का ऑर्डर ब्लॉक है, 5 की एफवीजी है, वीवैप है, कपल ऑफ थिंग्स। देखते हैं एनवाई से ओपन तक अपने को पुश कर जाना चाहिए। उसके बाद फिर अगर ये रिट्रेसमेंट होगा वन से एंटर कर लेंगे। बहुत ऑप्शन है। इवन आफ्टर इन दिस कैंडल क्लोज ये 17 के की एफवीजी विल बिकम वैलिड ऑर्डर ब्लॉक एंड देन दिस विल बिकम ऑर्डर ब्लॉक एज वेल। तो फिर अपन यहाँ से एक ट्राई मार लेंगे। एंट्री रहेगी समथिंग 76 समथिंग ऐसा कुछ, ठीक है। सो दिस इज ऑल टाइम हाई ब्रेकआउट ट्रेड। Last time it did work out. I hope so it still work out this time. And
I hope so too. Like,
so this trade is just purely a breakout, so nothing fancy behind this one. And we only took on 15 because that's a little bit smaller than 15.
$79.98. Okay. So it's almost your entry is at 80.
Dude, let's just notice those 10 pips.
I have to discuss one else. My entry is at 80.3.
80.3? I literally put that 1-0, but due to some spreads, it might get up a bit early. So this is a only breakout trade. And breakout
So
only
why
looks
did
fun.
I got active much more higher than you then?
1 second, guys.
Specialty happening in
We haven't taken a single trade today. That is why is it Monday? 0710 735 And this is NY, not NYSE. That's it. But what time it is it? So I got at the 16 or
Got
2,
active
6,
16.
1832.
16. Yeah, like for me, it's 16:00:30. As in,
And this is 15-minute breakout trade. We enter on the flip. And we are still holding this trade. And then let's check. Oh, let me drain the tracker. Here it is. And let's just look around the EU and see if there might be a potential trade. I see the same rejection as yesterday. Look at right here. Yesterday, this is the rejection on GU. Today, we do see a doji candle. It might, what is it, 13 reversal to shoot around the upside. What about GU? Remember in the morning, we discussed this thing that GU did a breakout. If we got a 4-hourly closer below this zone, then we have a green zone to the downside. So, what can we do? Let's look at DXY first. To EU GU to go down, we need DXY to shoot up soon to the upside. This 4-hour close bullish. If we break out above this zone, then we might see new all-time high coming soon. That 56 seemed to be almost near 300 pips.
yeah.
What the hell? And what else we have? GJ, nothing. So, okay, just only 3 pairs today. If DXY shoot up to the upside, then we can, if this candle flips, then we do have a nice trade on GU. And we have
We are running 44 pips, 45 pips in profit.
and we have a green zone. Where is one will reduce as well to this candle low? Just right here.
Wait, are we entering in GU also?
GU DXY के ऊपर है. DXY should shoot bullish, you know. अभी DXY रिजेक्शन से ले रहा है. अगर DXY कुछ ब्रेकआउट से देता है, maybe in 30 minutes or so, around NYSE open, तो फिर अपन एक वो ट्राई करेंगे बाय का ऑन GU, सॉरी सेल का ऑन GU. बट until unless DXY फेवर में नहीं आता, तब तक GU में एंट्री लेने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. It can easily fake out and then it came down and then will be right back. तो इतना स्ट्रेस नहीं चाहिए लाइफ में. Look at this, last 1 hour was bullish. अगर ये थोड़ा बेरिश क्लोज होता है तो फिर अपन सेल का देख लेंगे. अपने अगर स्ट्रीम जल्दी स्टार्ट करनी चाहिए.
I'm sorry. Like I
नहीं
thought
तुम्हारा
we
नहीं,
will start early, but
मैं थोड़ा उसमें हो गया था. स्ट्रीम थोड़ा जल्दी स्टार्ट करते तो थोड़ा अच्छा बेनिफिट होता. और ये जो फालतू का लॉस खाए थे ना मैंने वो अकाउंट के चक्कर में. और we're running literally 6% today on this account, but again I'll come to the same area. So now 2% again. And अब कितना भी दिया? अबे 50 ही दिया तो था इसने.
46, I got 46 pips.
No, but
45.
82, it went to 85.30, so it gave 50 pips.
Well, yeah, my entry is bit higher. 80.3 is my entry, and yeah, 40. I saw 45 pips. As usual,
बहुत दुख हो रहा
I
है ना
am a scared person.
बहुत दुख हो रहा है ना तेरे को 3 पिप का.
No. I'm not as I'm telling you, as a scared person, I took partial exactly at the
मैं इन द
top.
मॉर्निंग 11:30 इन इवनिंग 5:30 स्टार्ट। भाई प्लान में रोज यही होता है कि 11:30 स्टार्ट कर दूंगा, बट वो प्लान पता नहीं 12:30 क्यों हो जाता है। एंड शाम को भी 5:30 का ही प्लान था। एंड फिर मतलब थोड़ा आराम
No,
कर
see,
लेते हैं यार, 5 बज गए, नीड पावर नैप। फिर वो पावर नैप, फिर पावर नैप्स हो गया उस। बट
see
I'll
this
try
that's
I'll
what I
try
get
from
it.
tomorrow ना। और एक है नेयल एंट्री 81.5, वन इंटीजर 57। नहीं है यार, एक एंट्री हमारी भी 57 पे दिखाता हूँ। एक मेरी एंट्री भी है 53 57 पे, ऑलमोस्ट सेम एज यू। बट वो अब ठीक है, बट होल्ड करें इनको 4K तक, तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आज ही 4000 चला जाएगा या फिर एशियन में चला जाएगा।
I think so. It should reach today only.
तो कीप होल्डिंग ऑन दोज एंट्रीज। और ये टाइनी टाइनी एंट्री चल रही है अभी, तो इसको चलने देते हैं। और एक ट्रेड मिल जाए अपने को ESG में, तो फिर
Would you be cutting some positions at 4,000, or you're just going to keep holding it forever?
4000 पे देर इज अ मैसिव साइकोलॉजिकल लेवल, कुछ ना कुछ तो वहां से रिएक्शन आना कंफर्म।
Yeah, so I that's why I kept a TP for this trade for
और अभी शायद
4,000.
वो मेरे पास है नहीं। वो तो फीचर्स में वो देखते हैं अपन, वो पहले अपन देखते थे उसके
But
अंदर CME
the
ग्रुप समथिंग।
number of orders, yeah, number of orders in the particular
लेट मी
area,
सी।
right? I forgot
हाँ,
what it's called actually.
और CME ग्रुप समथिंग उसका रहता है।
Mm.
CME ग्रुप
Oh,
गोल्ड।
yeah, I've futures and option trading risk manager, CME group, yeah. Euro gold.
क्या हुआ भाई GU को? यार GU फ्लिप हो चुका है। डिक्सी क्या बोल रहा है? डिक्सी ऊपर जा रहा है, GU ट्राई कर सकते हैं यार, मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है GU। ऐसा कुछ खास ज्यादा बड़ा नहीं
Okay.
है इसका।
You
GU फ्लिप अगेन 32 पे SL है, टारगेट 74 पे। एंड
enter right now?
और सेम, हाँ 4 घंटा फ्लिप हो गया ना। देखो ये डिक्सी थोड़ा बुलिश जा रहा है ना, इस यही रीजन है। अगर डिक्सी कंटिन्यू शूट करता है तो वी वुड बी फाइन।
So
लास्ट
sell now. No, you say if you're entering, then I'll enter.
एक फिर ऐसे मैंने कहा NYC का वेट कर लें। ओके, जो करंट ट्रेड के काम करो दोस्तों, SL को कैंडल में नीचे ले आओ। हाँ,
15. Okay.
मतलब ये 15 लोग के नीचे, तो ये लोग कितना है? 78 71, so 78 40 पे ले। At least things went south।
You would be fine.
डैमेज डैमेज दीजिए मेरे को फालतू का। ओके, कहा मैंने GU का वेट कर लो, NYC ओपन होना तो उसके बाद देखते हैं ना।
Okay.
ऑल टाइम हाई पे यही थोड़ा इशू है। NYC ओपन होते मे बी वी शूट अ लॉट, और या फिर ये डीप पुल बैक जैसे ऐसी बकवास हुई थी थोड़े दिन पहले, तो ये हो सकता है। आई होप कैसा हो नहीं, बट
700 700 पे pullback.
ये मेरे को अच्छा भी नहीं लग रहा है यहाँ पे। ओके गाइस, वो ब्रेक इवन मेरी कोई इच्छा नहीं है इसका। इफ आई सर्वाइव आई विल बी फाइन। ब्रेक मतलब मेरी एंट्री जो है 80 के ऊपर है ना, 80 पे फिर ऐसा जहाँ
No, I
एंट्री
am
है।
also going break even on my entry.
ठीक है। The biggest regret of
So
the day,
my
this 40 entry by 10 pips।
entry, that is true. Yeah.
और ये कुछ दिन पहले अपने साथ एक वो हुआ था, शायद वो कुछ 10K का एफिजी, 10K पे 11K की एफिजी थी, वो मिस हुई थी। अपन 30K पे रह गए थे। तो
30-minute, yeah. No, 15-minute, 11K FAG, yesterday's entry.
तो अपनी ये एंट्री थी और ये यहाँ तक आया। लिटरली 450 पिप्स इज गोइंग। देखा जी, ये डिक्सी जब तक से बुलिश साइन आया था, ये छोटा डिक्सी फिर से रिजेक्ट हुआ, तो अगेन कुछ बेरिश प्रेशर। एनओएससी को ओपन होने दो, लेट इट डिसाइड पहली 15-30 मिनट कैंडल क्या करती है, उसके बाद उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम प्लान करेंगे।
Manoj, your latency is fixed.
इस फिक्स्ड और फिर से इश्यू है?
I think right now it's back to normal, like how it was previous.
मोस्ट प्रोबेबली हुआ क्या होगा कि मैं स्ट्रीम के ऊपर वो लेटेंसी नॉर्मल कर दी होगी, अब मुझे पता नहीं करंट स्ट्रीम में वो चेंज करें। फिर भी मैं देखता हूँ।
Yeah.
नहीं यार ठीक है, लेटेंसी मैंने वही कर रखी है।
Okay. Then I might be just.
ओके, वी सर्वाइव्ड।
Oh, 50 pips. 50. Yeah.
गाइस जब तुम्हारे क्योंकि अपना ऑलरेडी एसएल टू ब्रेक इवन है, अब बाहर से लेने ले लो, नहीं लेने कोई तो आप तुम्हारी इच्छा। But I think
I
price will
have
come
already
that
taken
30 मिनट एरिया। अब
partial.
मुझे कौन सा 30 मिनट एरिया की बात कर रहा है, एक सेकंड भाई, मुझे दो 30 मिनट एरिया, एक तो ये है और शायद ये भी 10 मिनट में वैलिड हो जाएगा, तो इसकी एफईजी रहेगी 17 के अराउंड 76, तो एक एंट्री फिर अपन यहाँ ट्राई कर सकते हैं, मे बी 76, 50, 60 एरिया पे। Okay, GU कैंसिल फॉर सम टाइम एंड EU 4 आवर के ऊपर कुछ नहीं कर रहा अभी। अरे आई सी फाइनली चैनल से
Yeah.
सुबह से उन्हें चैनल मार्क नहीं किया था ना। I'll go in channel marking mode now. That's it. तो यहाँ पे दो ऑप्शन है,
20-minute area.
इट कैन गो लाइक दिस, सो गाइस ट्रेड ब्रेक इवन है, और जिसकी ऊपर नीचे एंट्री है थोड़े पार्सल लो कर लो, इन केस तुम टेकन पे आउट हो तो एटलीस्ट तुम्हें कुछ तो मिले। ये आप जो ब्रेक इवन पे निकलो।
Even no, I have already locked partials and I'm break even on the trade. Money
Danke.
should not go out only.
ये भी है। I think we are about to stop out.
Almost. Well, in all fairness, it gave 50 pips from a breakout.
तो लेट दिस कैंडल क्लोज इन 8 मिनट्स, उसके बाद अपने पास दो ऑप्शन है एंट्री के, एक तो ये वाला, एक और ये ऑर्डर ब्लॉक बनाएंगे नहीं, आई थिंक देयर इज नो ऑर्डर
Okay,
ब्लॉक
I am out.
बनाएंगे। I'm also
Not out
मैं
yet.
चाहता हूँ कि खाने लग पलट जाए उनसे मैच हो जाएगा ना but
I know your wishes are like this. So
whatever, I'm still in.
so where did you enter actually? If you're still in this, come on.
Okay,
Yes.
I'm out now.
No, you're not out yet. Okay, now you should be out.
Yeah.
If you're still not out, then this is come on, flip full bearish. Oh, okay, yeah. Now you should be out.
I'm out now. So
Yeah.
all I made today less than maybe 3.7%.
Even me actually, I'm at 0.7% in one account.
Okay, boys, we are about to get out. No, sorry, we are out already.
Maybe
Although it gave 50 pips, that's all we needed, but we are greedy, you know. That price will go to 4K.
4K immediately as soon as the breakout happens. Yes. It could go actually. In all fairness, it could go.
It
But
can be a liquidity sweep and then price can come down, you know. Both way.
yes,
And if you mark this leg, this high to this low, and let's find some. So we do have 15K FEG plus VWAP, sorry, and plus VWAP 63. And उसके बाद अपने पास क्या है? That's an hourly. Nothing out there. दो बैक टू बैक ऑर्डर ब्लॉक है अपने पास.
time is like 30 seconds delayed.
अबे इसमें 5 सेकंड थी यार, मैंने कुछ गड़बड़ कर दी फिर से. एक सेकंड फिर चेक कर. पर 30 सेकंड तो बहुत ज्यादा डिले चल रहा है. एक सेकंड देखना था.
30 is way too much actually. Yeah.
देख प्राइस के अपने को आउट करने के लिए आए थे बस.
Yeah, I think so.
और we got stopped out on break even, right?
Yeah, we got stopped at break even. Did we manage the risk way too hard? Way too
But
much?
50 के बाद we do वो break even, that is fine, चलेगा.
Yeah, but we do take partials also in that way.
So this one. बहुत जल्दी में कुछ प्लान चेंज होगा. मे बी कुछ रिस्क का या फिर ट्रेड होल्ड का.
Oh, let's wait for 4 minutes as NYC is about to open.
तो आज 400 मिनट का वो चल रहा है. 450 को ऑलरेडी एंड वी कैच 0.
Something need to be refined.
Yep. So this 30-minute order block will be valid, then the entry would be around here. This 17K, 75. 76 we will take, and then SL will go around 64. Or the best entry would be 64 to 56. The option.
I think price just came to take us out, and then
Either this or either this.
oh, that's a very dirty play.
Look at this candle. Now, once we have this fake out, so one trade could have been taken here, and then the second trade we missed because we are not in front of chart. That 56 entry. Because we're in gaming mode, we got a hold that
Yeah.
would be running 300 pips now. Okay, boys. So we do have NYSE open, and we have 2 order blocks ready. So potential entry, I will take around, you can, high of this candle is 75. Okay, put the buy limit at 76. SL 64.20.
$76, okay.
SL is well, 64. We are active. Just like that? Yes, we are active. Okay, my headphone, is gone now. So I have to charge it a bit. Give me 5. ओके बॉयज, बैक यू अगेन। थोड़ा तुम्हें आवाज में थोड़ा इश्यू मिलेगा तो एडजस्ट करो 5-10 मिनट, उसके बाद आई विल पुट ऑन द हेडफोन्स अगेन। Orders of right hand for this. If this candle flips, you are fine. If this candle flips, we have way to fight. Well, this- Again, same logic है, कैंडल को एक बार वो करने दो, let it take 50 pips and then SL reduce कर देंगे, उसके बाद देखते हैं। Yeah, absolutely. So this was 17K FEG plus 13 old o'clock. Only issue is that I don't want this candle to, close back in the range and take us out. It can be a fake out. Yeah. Then if this took us out, then our next entry would be around this 64 area. From there, we'll take this entry and then, but that would be the last entry for sure. Yeah. Let's just check Dixie. Dixie is going up. How come Dixie is going up and then GA is going up? So our entry is this. Just Steve. Oh, okay. Oh, perfect. Don't worry, the lumber selling hang even. I'll reduce it. Oh, well. Even the low hourly के नीचे अगर ये लो टेकन आउट होता है then anyway फिर तो ये फेक आउट ही होगा। Yeah. बट तुम ये लेके चलो, मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली ये तो कल या फिर मे बी बाय एंड ऑफ द वीक विल फॉर श्योर बी एट 4000। We're more testing that. Still in drawdown, but good rejection. I think the down call the block actually got that, but not. But that's it's not bad enough. और ईयू का देखते हैं। ईयू 4 घंटा कुछ डोजी था, नेक्स्ट 4 आवर पता नहीं क्या ही कर रहा है। डिक्सी थोड़ा अपन की तरफ जा रहा है तो माइट बी द रीजन। जीयू इस चैनल के लो पे टैप होके फिर ऊपर चल रहा है, और क्या बचता है फिर यू से नहीं। एक बार फिर से मैं वो रिग्रेट सुनाऊंगा तुम्हें। मैं यहाँ एंट्री थी, मैंने यहाँ क्लोज कर दी थी। Are you still holding Esther? Yeah, I'm still holding Esther. Well, you said to hold Esther, so I not even lose my brain after that. अरे अच्छा है होल्ड की, लाइक मैंने वो पटेल नहीं मारी होती ना वो ओवर लेवल्स ट्रेड। I would be fine. So I think my yesterday's trade would be still be doing nothing at all. Let's see something else. अपनी एंट्री कहाँ है? 76 है ना? 76 से 15 मिनट कहाँ क्लोज होता है? Either I'll reduce some position or close. But close नहीं करेंगे हम क्यों? We'll manage on 30. I'll reduce some position. Well, yeah, take up the trade based on 30. We should manage on 30. You should not. We should not that trade. What is on the plan? We learned our lesson once. Yeah. अब तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि अच्छा वो 30 मिनट अपन ने वो पहला बाय जल्दी क्लोज कर दिया। ऑल टाइम हाइपर ट्रेडिंग ऐसी होती है। Sometimes it work out, sometimes it might not work out. Who knows? Okay, we'll do one thing. If this 15 rejection looks good, I don't want the next candle to take out this low, so we'll reduce our SL to it. कितना लो इसका? 17. 14. हाँ तो 70 पे SL ले आएंगे फिर. तो we'll manage it like that. So just give me 3 more minutes. Yeah. Well, what do you think about? Huh? Nothing. Reduce SL to this candle low. 17. Exact 17. So guys, we already managed the risk. If trade went south, we will lose what we'll lose half than we're supposed to lose. What the hell I just did? What the damn man. Shit. Did you close the trade? Absolutely. Yeah. Yep. Sometimes I feel like I need magic keys. I'll do that. Do you want? I know, bro. I just feel like I don't want. Although it's too much headache. Then I want to press that button, all the time. Okay, let's just go to break even, take something, take something. So that is the reason I don't use it. Okay, so I did all my research and finally came to the conclusion that the magic key does not work for me. Okay. Yeah. I asked ChatGPT in different ways. What else? You just asking or something. मुझे क्या बोल रहा भाई? कहाँ बोल रहा था? डिस्कॉर्ड पे क्या? Yes, yes. अबे तो बोलना आगे. Two tips of profit. Which under fish. फालतू 50 का फटका लगा मेरे को. How was the trade actually? Remembering chess, sometimes I put the pawns by mistake to some next zones. But the figures. Yeah, I understand. अब तो समझ रहे हैं असली में होता है. खासकर मेरे साथ। But for some reason, I do feel a bit tough and German when I heard that. We are earning 35% profit. Well, it's this candle is going to flip forward. Flip forward, then we'll fine. And bro, यार 50 अपने को 50 pips मिल गया ना? From the 13 part order work to return the thoughts on the all about. Man, I literally tapped to the yes, that gave us 50 pips. But we did go around 50 now. So from order lost out from the order, which is yeah, a little bit. It's अब ये भैया ऐसा तो नहीं ट्रेन में आराम से सफर करे ना मुझे बोल प्रत्येक चेक 82 लेवल इन 1 मिनट शुड ब्रेक दैट टू गो अपसाइड 82 पे क्या दिक्कत है भाई नहीं भाई मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा 82 मिनट बोला ना तू देख उसको अब देखो ऐसा होता है कि इफ दिस 15 क्लोज बैक अगेन तो ये क्या होता है ब्रेकआउट रीटेस्ट काइंड ऑफ फेक आउट वी कैन ऐड मोर ठीक है अब देखो ये आवरली ने बॉटम में बना दी है नाउ इट शुड ओनली नीड टू ब्रेक दैट हाई 85 ब्रेक होते ही फिर अपन फोन के I strongly do believe that it will break 85 बस अब ये 85 आवरली फ्लिप होगी ना तो देन ट्रैफिक तो कुछ है ही नहीं ना अबे प्रतीक तो रहने देना भाई चल रहा है भाई अच्छा भला तेरे को कहीं सेल करनी है अभी Alright, so I understand something to partake too. तो गाइस इस ट्रेड का अपनी एंट्री थी 76 पे है ना तो मैं सबको डिलीट करता हूँ एक बार तो ये ब्रेकआउट हुआ काइंड ऑफ फेक आउट वापस मिला तो वी विल पुश टू द अपसाइड अगेन होपफुली या एंड अपनी एंट्री थी 76 से बेस्ड ऑन 30-minute order flow and retest of this support zone again. So this was our entry around 76. अपना ऐसा रिड्यूस हो चुका है ऑलरेडी एंड टारगेट इज 4K. TP1 ये रहेगा अराउंड 85. So that's the TP1. It's the 5-minute order block that worked out really nicely like this. Oh, this one. And this gave 40 pips. Wow. And apparently, I think actually called that there would be an increase of 81, right? Check 82. Okay, 82 now. Very nice. Okay. Well, do you want to take this? 82. So 1 minute out of that. I'll pretend I didn't hear this. It's interesting. Yes. Okay, boys. This 30 is still above the zone. So कोई issue नहीं है trade में. 15-minute close back in the range. Hopefully next 15 can take this high and then the new all-time high. इस एंट्री का मेंशन किया ना अपन ने ब्रो. ये क्या है भाई? They are letting me replace this with this. अंदर डिक्शन कर ही नहीं रहे यार. ये GBUSD फिर से फ्लिप हो जाएगा तो अच्छा है. ये लोन अपने पास इसका ऐसा कुछ ऑन दिस कैंडल फ्लिप. अलर्ट लगाता हूँ एक बार. गाइस अभी एंट्री वैलिड नहीं है. मैं थोड़ी देर में कंफर्म कर दूंगा ना. एक अलग बिक्सी में लगाते हैं ताकि बिक्सी हाइट ब्रेक करे ना तब कुछ अपन एंट्री में जा सकते हैं. अगर ये वाला एरिया ब्रेक होता है ना तब थोड़ा डिक्शन में अपने पास अच्छी इन्फॉर्मेशन है पुश करने के लिए. Till then, gold पे आ जाओ. 30-minute about to close and we are running 41 pips. ठीक है. प्रतीक हाँ अपने पास एक तो लास्ट एंट्री से बेटर एंट्री है इस बार. ऑलरेडी अपन रिस्क मैनेज कर चुके हैं तो टेक्निकली वी आर ओनली हाफ रिस्क है ना. यस लेस देन हाफ रिस्क. ठीक है. इफ यू शूट अप फाइन अदरवाइज आप इसकी ट्रेड तो लेंगे ही. Yeah. So this 1 hour close doji. This doesn't correct. Correct. Still 5. Now it's that time that went to go विजय शासन दो चेक की यूजी यार अभी डिक्सी को ब्रेकआउट होने दे फिर देख लेंगे Who cares? It off. That's to the अब भाई टाइम पास करना जरूरी है एक चेस हो सकता है बहुत चलो बस सो ट्रेड रनिंग है अपनी गाइस, कोई चेंज नहीं उसके अंदर. वो रिमेनिंग रिस्क फिर से ऐड कर रहा होगा, है ना? व्हाट? तो यार एडिंग मोर पोजीशन, मतलब जो हाफ था ना, नहीं करना चाहिए तुम लोगों को, नहीं करना चाहिए. वो मैं ऐड करते ही ये वाला ध्यान भी चलवा नहीं चाहिए. Oh my God. नहीं, तुम लोगों को नहीं करना चाहिए ब्रो. मैं भी इस कैंडल के फ्लिप के ऊपर. Goal is like I'll play this guy's feeling, है ना? In all fairness, it was really too funny. Okay. On the spot, on the spot itself. मैं लगा बोला फिर से काम हो गया बोला आज. I'll take my words back guys. तुम पोजीशन होल्ड करो अपनी, है ना? So इसका लो है, इसका लो कहाँ था? 70.41. इसका लो कहाँ है? 72.35. मैंने कहाँ ऐड की पोजीशन? 80. That's a 400. So, okay, I'll keep the same SN. There's just thoughts some second to profit driving. Okay. The wealthy area. अबे यूजी तो ऐसा लग रहा है खत्म ही हो गए हैं, कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा. ऑल आई सी है चैनल. अच्छा ये गोल्ड का फटका क्या? हाँ ब्रो. द बेस्ट थिंग आई कुड डू ऑन दिस थिंग इज दैट इसके फ्लिप पे एंट्री ले सकते थे, ये वाला फ्लिप. बट इज द गोल्ड इज लाइक ओके, आई विल स्क्रू यू नाउ. Oh, we're in the right now of the smallest enough. You're talking this. I don't want to do some kind of push first. Then on. You would die it out. Okay, boys, I think एक तभी री लेने चाहिए गोल्ड का. And 70 done. Okay, yeah, we are out of the trade. कितने का लॉस कर रहे हैं लोग? Nothing. This cost me literally 1%. I read $100 in that. So we lost minus 60 pips, huh? Yeah. That's a wimp. भाई किसी ने मेरी नकल तो नहीं की थी ना इस ट्रेड के अंदर? ये क्या मजाक है भाई, मेरे को आउट करके ऊपर जा रहा है. I think before reaching 4,000, trade liquidity should be expected. Maybe some month and just putting the idea out there so that you can think it over. What do you think about the sweep of 22? I'm bullish, bro. किसका 22? I am also 3922. Like, if that low gets swept, random. 3922, 3927. Sometimes is our another entry for the day, and that is the last entry. So it's the last entry for the day, 13 minute trade. Order block. Yes. And that's it. But our first order block entry was really nice. From the order block, it almost gave देखो लॉजिकल दोनों ट्रेड ना 50-50 देके गई है, ठीक है। अपन ने बस थोड़ा वो 4000 के इंतजार में अपन ने कुछ प्रवासी बुक नहीं किया, ठीक है। एंड सो ये क्या है 4360 64 पे स्किन टी ले रहे थे गाइस, नीचे करने का नहीं यार, बिट मोर। यार मेरे को स्प्रेड का डाउट है यहाँ पे, अगर अपन यहाँ लेते हैं 64 पे, well I think I'm pretty sure that that's the yeah, I might want this building that on it. I think you'll build the charge. Oh, okay. I'm gonna give you 2 minutes. Hold on, somebody at the door. Okay, boys.
Manoj,
Yep.
would you look at a screenshot which I sent? It's basically a comparison of RSI. I think there's
Oh,
RSI divergence,
yeah, it looks good.
right?
Yeah.
Then higher high is getting created and RSI is creating lower low.
We can create RS. I can look at RSI right here. Give me 1 second.
Yes.
Yeah, so your 1 hour. Why it's at oversold at your area?
1 hour, right?
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay, yes. Here's this making higher high and this making lower low. Yeah.
I kind of realized that you were looking at Asta.
Yeah. I'm like, why the hell am I looking at that? Okay, let's. मैंने यहाँ चेंज कर दिया कि यहाँ नहीं करना चाहिए था चेंज। ओके, सो अपनी एंट्री कहाँ है नेक्स्ट वाली 64। I'll put at 63 this one 64 64.30 I'm putting, right? 64.30 to
Alright.
low of this candle is 56. Oh, 56 you put.
We should not miss any entry. So I am thinking 54 you told, right?
64.
64. Yeah, 64 makes sense. Yeah. Enough. There's a 1 hour FEG also, which only the candle does show. The indicator does not show.
Yeah, that will cover this area. 15K figure right
Yeah,
here.
that will also. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the only entry we have now.
Indicator does. Yeah, indicator.
So our only was doji. By looks of this candle, so 30 was way above. That is why we are still on that entry. Now, if this candle close below, we can literally retrace to 50% of area and we can go back from there. That is the only option. And yeah, that is all you can do right now.
Odd.
What happened?
Why it is not a. My MT5. Oh yeah, that's it. I am trying to put a buy limit at 3964. It's allowing me to type 39 and not 64. So I was thinking, what is happening? What is happening? Kind of figured out that I was instead of I was typing this at volume. That's why it's not allowing me to do it.
I mentioned in this, yes, I did mention this, and let me mention this on the screen. It did take a loss. So let's see if you don't have a plan to go down now. Because I think Dixie is again consolidating right here. And then if you look at the EU also have the same plan. This 4 hour is still, sorry. This 4 hour might came down, now it can shoot up. Anything can happen. Don't know. Not much of volume on EU and GU right now. And I think gold also gets out right now. So just wait and watch. We might scalp here and there some pips. So if we got active on 64, that will be fine. Chess खेल लेते हैं ना अपन.
Just give me like 10-15 minutes. I'll be back. I'll just go on mute for a while.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm back.
Nice. Next, I will decide what will happen with clothing. If it close back in the
Yeah,
range
fair enough.
again, we can look here drop a bit more. But it is somehow still above this range. Then we have to plan our
Next
buy.
30, you mean?
However, you will find this hour. This hourly was doji, it will bearish, next can come down a bit. Or next 30 is right here if it close bearish. But it's
No, I mean, that's what. If next 30-minute candle close bearish, then it could come a lot more down. If
yeah.
next 30 closes bullish, then there's a good chance that we'll just shoot up now.
No, I will.
But I do like the idea about coming down a bit more before reaching 4,000.
Yeah, I'll prefer hourly now. See, by get my hands one day in 15 minutes, 50 close bullish. Logically, so we do have a see, trending star kind of, we close bullish, back in the range, next candle probably should have shoot up. Only thing I could have to better is take entry on this. Then next close bearish again, now I'll be showing rejection. Let's see what happens. You will stay and
Yeah.
stream for next 30 minutes. I will watch. Take that.
Yeah, sure. We can stay. We can stay for a longer time also. It's fine.
And then GU still seems bullish. GU literally stuck right here. So the tradable thing we have right now is gold. We can get some easy picks. So are you ready for chase now?
Yeah. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah.
So
Okay. So I have not seen the score. I think you are way in ahead of this. So I don't think so. You need a revenge anyway.
here we go. Revenge to the What's my boy 1 year ahead discussion? I need revenge.
Okay. Perfect. Sounds good. Okay, I made a mistake over there.
Why? The best, yeah.
Yeah.
You trapped me again, huh?
I don't mind that.
I feel like we have to buy again gold at all-time high, maybe above 80.
Yeah. Fine.
अगर किसको मार दिया भाई?
I just took out a pawn only. It's fine.
अरे
The
ठीक है.
outlook.
Okay, so gold rejected completely. 1 hour.
Yeah.
This is tricky out. So 1 hour literally got rejected, still respecting this resistance to support zone. 15, being the next 15 close bullish. Okay, I see something. We are forming at this channel now. This did give a breakout. See, channels are working every day.
I think you will.
Oh,
Yeah.
where is it?
Trade is.
The
No, it's
game.
fine. It's fine. Trade is first. Game 3 you can play later also.
गेम में तो यार रिवेंज पहले हो रहा है ना, दैट इज फाइन.
Oh.
I am in this belief that gold will shoot up again from here. We can take this asset. So we do have this breakout. We can reduce this thing to right here. Look at this hourly. Hourly flipped again. We can take the low of this hourly candle. And what about this 30? So let me give everything again. So guys, you can see this hourly candle got flipped. 30-minute close again in this zone. We still don't have any bullish candle. 15, we do have bullish, but we got wrecked in this one. Oh, sorry, I got wrecked in this one, not you guys. So
What do you think? Flip of the candle will take a.
so the best case scenario अगर अपन चलते हैं तो, क्योंकि लास्ट 30 में कोई भी बुलिश क्लोज नहीं हुआ है, तो या तो एक बुलिश कैंडल का वेट करें फिर एंटर करें. ये 15 क्लोज तो बुलिश हुआ है, बट इसने किसी का हाई ब्रेक नहीं किया है, और ये जस्ट लिक्विडिटी भी हो सकती है, तो उसमें मेरे को ऐसे डाउट है. तो व्हाट शुड वी डू is wait for this 30 minute to close. So guys, एक और कैंडल का वेट करना पड़ेगा, and that will also close our hourly candle. अगर ये फिर भी इसके ऊपर क्लोज होती है, then फिर we enter buy, take SL below this candle. Until unless थोड़ा वेट करते हैं, and then we'll see what we'll do next. ठीक है. Then if we go in the logic of this breakout,
If I'm not wrong, XRP is $3, right?
yes, SL is literally 100 pips now. And okay, boys, I'm entering gold buy again. Okay.
Okay.
At current price, and SL at last candle low. And that's it, guys. So we did activate around, again same entry 80. Entry पहले भी अपनी यही थी, but we got racked in between,
Yeah.
so we can't do much. So and target वही है अपना 4,000, and you can take some off around 50 pips if you want to. वैसे भी दोनों एंट्री के अंदर ये हुआ है कि अपन ने we got 50 pips both time, but we didn't close the partials. That is why we have these small losses today. बाकी सब ठीक है.
Okay.
Dude, man, this
Okay, your
move.
5 minute entry makes sense. Actually, it's nice.
See this channel breakout on
Yeah, yeah, I
G,
saw the channel breakout.
and it might have this one. इतना ही होता है भाई, और क्या होता है इन पेयर के अंदर. So
Come on, 4,000. 4,002. That is my target for the day. At 100% ADR, as in, we can take partials at we can take partials at 97. That's 75% ADR. Yeah, sorry, 87. Yeah, 75% ADR, and then at 4,000. If everybody is fine with that, because we already got 50 pips from this entry.
ADR कहाँ था एक second. Sorry folks, let me check if I'm doing any mistake or what. ADR is at 87. We already tapped out 86.80. So we sweep these highs again. अच्छा ये इन पे थोड़ी नीचे है, 23 पर है, यहाँ पे 80 पे है ना. अबे चेस में क्या हो गया? अच्छा मैसिंग तो नहीं रह गया. Though
Again,
reposting the points and points. You don't have to repeat again.
that's
Nah.
fine.
Okay, so let's write it down. So okay.
We got 50 pips, you know that, right? Like, I think you got more, but I got 50 pips.
We got 50 pips in all trades. And we should have take part in all of them, but we didn't. So that is why we have this loss. So that is a buy. What time I take this? 17:33. So that will be 20:03 for me. And this trade based on 30-minute close grade, I would flip maybe.
Uh-oh.
What happened?
He's coming back to the entry.
अरे ये चलता रहता है भाई, अब इतनी आसानी से बोर्ड कहाँ पे है जाता है भाई?
I
But
think the channel got filled. That's a thing. Channel got
but
filled. In 2
this
candles,
this
channel got
30-minute order block was still fine. The entry was still fine, you know. It's only because
has
we
fun.
do some ultra risk management, that is why we are out. Otherwise, you will be fine in this trade. 72 से entry होती तो अपन एकदम hold कर लेते, but अपन entry 76 थी, so that would be unnecessary loss.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Completely agree.
So
You ended in a GJ trade also?
how do you know?
Your chart.
Oh,
And apparently your PNL also.
I have butterfingers.
Fair enough.
So bets gave me 10% now. So you know what I told you, that
Okay.
I'll be stop trading if I made 10% on my funded. I might have lied.
That is a lie.
I might have lied out there, you know.
It is very evident.
You know why I entered in GJ? Because this channel was good and then I took a loss on EU for no reason. I shouldn't have taken the trade, but I take it. Now I have to recover it. So that's it. I have 3 more days and 3 more days next week. Too much time.
Oh no, what did you do?
And okay, let's come to chess again.
Okay.
Revenge, bro, revenge.
I don't mind losing, Manoj. I don't
The-
mind losing at all.
I lose. But I do mind losing now.
I get
Sorry.
Somebody asked, did I miss a trade?
कहाँ पूछा उसने भाई?
I'm going to tell yes. On the chat.
Stidkai, hi guys, did I miss the trade? हाँ भाई, ये ट्रेड चल रही है ना स्ट्रीम पे, जो रनिंग भी चल रहा है, देख तो. So we bought from 80
That's
again.
Kai?
I don't know. It seems like
Okay.
Kai used this sign.
Yeah. Okay. You have sent the challenge? No, right? Why will I send that?
Okay, मेरे में हो गया. Okay.
Yeah. Uh-oh. What will I do?
Why can't I kill it? I can kill it, right?
You can kill it easily. I missed a move actually, that's right.
Nice try. Or you'll try to put this here and give me a check, and first I have to say my queen.
What are you up to?
That was a waste of move, to be honest.
Okay, if you say so. I don't trust you.
Okay, that was new. That was new. Okay, so now, what if I don't want to save the queen?
What if you
If
do
I,
not want to save the queen? You need to anyway move.
भाई चला जा यहाँ से यार.
Okay. Mm,
And
You know, you have trapped me, right? What will I do, Manoj? What will I do? You have trapped me very nicely. Leave it.
last time I checked, you were in my area.
Mm. Mm. Okay.
What happened?
Nothing happened. That's what I said.
Uh, uh,
Yeah, I know that would happen.
और क्या प्लान था वैसे? Just like that?
Yeah, just like that. If you don't do anything,
No,
it is going to be very bad for you.
I can't even save it. Now it will be made. So I have to do
No,
something.
no, no. You still have time. Actually, you still have time. Oh, oh, oh.
No, it won't save
You
me.
did save it.
Not.
It will save it. Oh, wait. That is true. It won't save you.
Exactly. All you think I can do is bring
What is
some.
happening? Manoj, nothing can be done now. It's done, Manoj. Okay, it is not done. This is quite annoying. You know that, right?
Like, so all I have to turn off my camera.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you cannot. Just extra. The game changed completely. No, because I was stupid enough to do that. No, 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 no. You have plenty of time. Yeah, I know. I made a small mistake. A winning game, though I made and lost it. Shit.
I won't नहीं है भाई मेरा माइक भी on क्या
No, your camera is on, right?
अच्छा मैं फिर से हारने वाला हूँ क्या ओके डूड okay let's see what you do now. Okay, I did a mistake right here now. अबे टाइम मेरे पास 3 सेकंड बचे हैं क्या डैम अगेन
No, that's a mistake I did actually.
Okay, revenge again. Revenge piling up all the time.
What to do, Manoj? What to do? It's just small. You're running 40 pips, it seems.
तो ट्रेड यही थी जो अपन ने इनिशियल ली थी बट वी गॉट आउट इन दिस स्टॉप लॉस हंट और
We did.
whatever
No,
you call.
we did manage the trade in 30 minutes also. So it's not like maybe if we would have ended from the 30-minute order block, we would have still been fine. Because
Yeah, we
initial
managed
reaction we
then
got
this
was
is not a this 30 के पैसे
yeah,
up the front sorry half is only ना
yeah, exactly.
ठीक है इतना फ्रेश नहीं कर लेते फाइन कोई
Both of
दिक्कत
us,
नहीं है मोस्ट प्रोबेबली
both of yeah,
अभी नहीं
both of
थोड़ी देर
us
बाद हो
managed it.
सकता है बट एज लॉन्ग एज वी स्टे अबव दिस एरिया वी आर फाइन अब आवरली को देख के लगता है कि आवरली इफ यू डिलीट इट सो आवरली स्टिल अबव दिस जोन एंड अपना एसएल बिल्कुल सेफर प्लेस के ऊपर है अभी आवरली फ्लिप होती है देन इट्स अ डिफरेंट इशू देन इसका फिर नेक्स्ट कैंडल कैन लिटरली कैन गो टू 4K नाउ और जो भी एरिया होता है स्लोली स्टडीली
Our entry is at 80, right? Yeah, 80. Entry is at 80.
I think what have been this this literally channel breakout there's this would have been our entry at 78.
Okay, yeah. When this channel broke, just a small break
Now the channel
happened there.
top what hit sign and GJ channel almost sleepy.
Yeah.
Your judgment rate sending it guys I take it out of
GJ,
personally on some different
sorry,
account.
did you say GJ,
Yes.
which you took alone?
This 478 is still bothers me. तो ठीक है guys stream चलने दूं या we should
We can end the stream,
uh,
as in,
or
if you
we
want.
can let it run a bit ना मैं कुछ
Yeah,
I can go grab some dinner but trade चालू है so trade active I can mark it down trade active uh, active Maybe from next week we have to trade from 4,000 area, you know. And
There's a good possibility. 40,
see,
4020 and all
I
will be
see
our
this. I
entries.
saw this channel someday, maybe not. Oh, it's today in London. 50
Yeah.
pips. GJ. Okay, almost. Now I regret. I regret 12 pips. And
See, you did not send this anywhere.
where?
So
Okay, GU seems
I
it
don't think so
flipped
you should
now.
discuss.
GU you're not going down. Dixie. अरे क्या ही हो रहा है कुछ Dixie is not moving much, but still GU shooting up. EU वहीं stuck है. We get 70 pips to the highest. ओके गाइस स्ट्रीम चालू है मैं म्यूट पे जा रहा हूँ इफ सब कुछ होगा तो अपडेट करता हूँ अदरवाइज अपडेट विल सेंड टू डिस्कॉर्ड
Okay.
ठीक है ना
Are we also like? Should I also? I'll stay on the stream.
ओके लेट्स एंड द स्ट्रीम एनीवे कुछ है नहीं खास ट्रेड चल रही है पार्शियल तुम ले सकते हो वी ऑलरेडी रनिंग 50 पिप्स एंड ओके डू वन थिंग so there's a double low partial at 50 pips and then you can leave it open so in case trade hit to the downside again तुम्हारा risk offset है partial you can block 30% 40 50 up to you but at least 30 is fine and थोड़ी देर में फिर मैं SL reduction का बताता हूँ but if you lock partials तो you will lose whatever you less than you supposed to lose and
Yeah, like if you risk 1%, then you won't actually lose 1% because you have already taken partials.
uh and GBP USD now I think Dixie okay I'm not going up GU
See, after
yeah.
let's just wait for 5 more minutes before we end the stream because this 1 hour is about to get closed. And with this 1 hour, I think the four hour already got closed.
No 4 hour have still time 2 hour left
2 hour left. Yeah, 1 hour is getting closed. So let's just wait the start of the next 1 hour and then we can end this.
okay 2 more minutes boys now this candle shouldn't flip bearish like at least it should respect the 77 area okay reduce the SL guys 77.74 so you can put 77 point कितना spread है gold पे भी 23 77
No,
point 77
2.5
point
left. Yeah.
77.50 when reduce the SL so if things hit south you will only lose 30 pips and you should look partial right here so anything can happen you know it's gold okay hourly close after retest rejecting from the last zone 30-minute close heavily bullish that's still a breakout I think we are literally can shoot up again and about to hit the 90 TP That was a nice clean channel.
Yes.
Out of 50 pips, I got 40. We're running 70 pips. Okay, let's just take more of the stream time. What's going on now? SL at 39. Nail SL has 7750. Last 30 मिनट का लो. ये SL इस कैंडल का लो है ना. लास्ट 30 मिनट का लो है 7774. 2-2.5 पिप का स्प्रेड है तो 77.50 इज द SL. बट यहाँ पर एटलीस्ट तुम 50% लो कर लो ताकि वर्स्ट केस सिनारियो और कितना भी लो के कर लेता हूँ. व्हाई आई एम वेटिंग फॉर. I'm closing 50 right here at 50 pips. 50, yeah 55 pips. ठीक है. SL रेडी हो चुका है. वर्स्ट केस सिनारियो ट्रेड इट और SL विल स्टिल बी इन प्रॉफिट ऑफ 20 मिनट्स 25 मिनट्स. 25 रुपये SL अभी है ना. ठीक है दोस्तों, तो I'll end the stream now and see you tomorrow in London.
See you tomorrow in London then. Bye bye.
Is